Good evening. How you folks doing? My name is Delphia Wilson. I was as old as the hills. Some folks call me Aunt Delphi. Others knows me as the herb lady. See, I goes out picking these herbs, use them for medicine, doctor on the little ones. Now, I have a story I want to tell you about my Bill. I say my Bill because he's always with me. Wherever I go, that young'un right next to me. Well, one day, he up, him and his uncle, Hopkinsville Street, at his grandmama's house. And they gets to drinking from that well. Well, he gets to poison them. He and his uncle. They get down mighty low. Now, they get the doctor to come in for Mr. Hosey's brother. And commenced working on him. Try to work on my Bill. Most folks know they got a youngin' low. They call for Aunt Delphia. Well, doctors get to working on my Bill. Not getting very far. Well, one day doctors tell him, Hosey, might try Aunt Delphia. I's done all I could do for him. Well, you know, that baby get mighty low. Mama, she gets to fretting. And Miss Jane, she was fretting mighty. She tells Mr. Hosey, you goes fetch Aunt Delphia. You goes fetch her now. I don't want to lose my boy. Well, Mr. Hosey comes for me. I gets my basket fixed up, get my little brew mixed up, poaches packed, and I go. When I gets there, that baby, mighty low. Color done left him, can't raise his head up, can't speak above a whisper. I gets to doctoring on him. I spoon a little bit of my brew to him at a time. I rubs him down. Now, he's mighty low. Expect a month or more. Mr. Hosey's brother, I'm hearing, about ready to go on home. Well, one day, I was sitting there rubbing on him. My Bill, he opens up his eyes. He said, Aunt Delphia, can I go out? No, baby, you're not ready for that. Still a little weak yet. Oh, he keeps on after me. Well, that's my Bill, and I wants to make him happy. I asked Mr. Hosey, can you carry him out on the porch, get a little fresh air? You know, this fresh air, it does a body good. Now, he carries him out and he sit there. We rocking. He looking back over. I know what he wanting. Allie, Aunt Delphia, can I go out? No, baby, not now. Not ready for that. Well, he keeps on. Well, one day I turns my back on him. And what you know, he's down there running and jumping. I commenced to call him Miss Jane. Miss Jane, Mr. Hosey, come quick. They looks, my Bill up and going. He done got him going. Now, he lived to be a ripe old age. Grew up, had a family, 2 youngins of his own. Boy, out east. Baby girl run a dry goods store uptown. Miss Nancy Newsom, you folks know her. That's my Bill's baby girl. Now, I tell you, we need to take care of what God has given us. You folks take care of them babies. Y'all, thank you for coming and seeing us. You come again now. Y'all better get going, because it's getting mighty nippy out here.